4.1 magnitude earthquake shook Dhaka early in the morning. However, no casualties or damage have been reported so far. The information was confirmed by Farjana Sultana, Assistant Meteorologist at the Meteorological Department. According to the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC), the earthquake was felt at 6:15 a.m. on December 4. The epicenter was located 27 kilometers below the surface in the Shipchor area of Norshingdi, about 20 kilometers east from Tongi. Based on its magnitude, it has been described as a mild earthquake. Earlier on December 1 at 12:57 a.m., tremors were also felt in various areas of Cox's Bazar and Chattogram. Local residents reported experiencing the quake in Cox's Bazar city, Ukhia and Chokoria. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.